Have you heard about the ghost train that appears between 59th and 61st Street in New York City, right where no station exists? Every November, people claim to see a single door open in the dark tunnel. Inside are passengers from different decades, frozen in time, silently staring at their reflections. Transit records show there was a station there once. Shut down in 1932 after what officials called unexplained technical disturbances. But in 2019, a maintenance crew found fresh footprints leading into a sealed tunnel, and an old Metro card stamped November 12, 2025. They say if the door ever opens for you, it's not taking you downtown, it's taking you somewhere out of time,